Hey guys, Captain Danny Hampson with Yamaha here at Jet Ski Miami headquarters, taking a look at the 2026 lineup of Yamaha boats. Right now I'm on the 255 FSH Sport E. I love this boat. I can't say enough good things about our whole center console line. I call them the Swiss Army knives of the boating world because you can fish them, you can family fun in them, you can even get behind them and ride if you want. Wake surf, whatever you want to do. Just a fantastic boat. This particular Sport E comes with twin supercharged SVHO motors, 500 horsepower platform. The E stands for electronic steering, electronic throttles, push button start. So many features in here. I'm gonna get you guys inside and bring you through them all. So when Yamaha first started coming up with our center console design, we wanted to be able to still have that family fun in a more fishing, coastal looking application. So we still have our patented Yamaha platform back there, still have the table attachments, you still have your music back there, all the sandbar fun you could ever want to have. But then we also have the premium fishing features. This is a 30-gallon aerated live well right here, pressurized. You know, we have a rod holders, Key West style T-top, so the rod holders and the rods go through the hard top up there. Seating on this boat is fantastic, but if you don't want this seating option, you're fishing with some buddies, don't have the family out, you just put it down, it locks into place. This boat just has so much to talk about. Over here we have a freshwater washdown and a true raw water washdown, so a true raw water washdown pump. This boat, you could really see the gunnel height. I talk about that on some of the other boats in our line, but having this much freeboard, a lot of our competitors in the 25-foot center console market, you'll see, you know, gunnel height around this. This is, you feel encapsulated, you feel safe, and it also keeps the boat extremely dry. The E, like I was saying, electronic throttles, push button starts, got this gorgeous leaning post, seats come down, seats come up, however you want to run it. This boat does come with a cooler that fits under the leaning post. Simrad comes standard on our 25-foot center consoles. This is a fantastic machine. You have a through-hull transducer, so you're shooting picture even while you're running. All right, so this is an 18-gallon live well, pitch well. Holds bait, fantastic. Over here we have dedicated Plano storage, so easy to keep all your tackle organized. I love having this. Up front you got the anchor locker, cup holders. One thing that I love about this boat and always blows customers' minds is when I show them the amount of space you have here under console. This seat flips up. We call it a changing room, so a lot of customers will put a day head in there. The amount of storage space for a 25-foot boat is unbelievable. I call them the Swiss Army knives of the boating world.